All right, for today, we have a long-term project headed home. Renntech E60, bought off Bring a Trailer. Needed some definite tending. All suspension mounts, diff, everything gone through. Brakes, refinished Aero 2s, new Michelins, all ignition, harnesses, actuator, everything, headlight doors, total respray, because what the paint was purported to be and what it was in actuality, two very, very different things. Had to rebuild a lot of the Renntech Heim links in the rear. They were all sloppy and making a lot of noise. Excuse me. The rear glass was delamming. We got a piece in and swapped that out. Latest and greatest ceramic tint all around, including the windshield at 85%, so should keep everything nice. And interior as a whole was good. Didn't have to refinish the wood. Was fortunate that pulling it and multiple stages of wet sanding brought it all back. Had a period high-end Clarion tape deck with a changer in the back, but client preferred the Macintosh, went with that. He had a car fricassee on him once, so the addition of a fire extinguisher is always good for peace of mind. Seats conditioned, cleaned up very nicely. A little dark back here, but still get the idea as a whole. And to reglue the door cards, like most every 500 out there, but they turned out nicely. Oh, that was the other thing. Headliner had been redone in some weird vinyl, so we opted for Alcantara instead. Redid the B pillars while we were at it, and C pillars were still salvageable. Able to reglue all that, get it back together. Cluster did have the white dot disease, but we got a good binnacle. Swapped everyone over and renewed the gears while we were at it. Client also liked the AMG spoiler. Had a period one on the shelf from forever ago. I don't know what car it came from, but we added that while doing paint and body. And paint is ceramic coated. Nice little bit of polish. Renntech airbox is still in beautiful shape. A little fine polish and ceramic on that as well. New Bilsteins all around, accumulators, rebuilt tandem pump, water pump, front main, brake fluid flush, self-leveling accumulators, new rear rams too. The lower ball joints have been gone bad. Just a thorough list, I think, all in all, some 6-7 pages long. Works as good as she looks. Happy and sad to see her go at the same time. Y'all be well.